Unlocking the power of gaming, the Klipdasse Carrying Case. Discover the ultimate in protection with the Klipdasse Carrying Case, designed exclusively for the PlayStation Portal Accessories Kit. Marrying function with style, this case displays a sleek design that aesthetically complements your gaming ensemble. However, some users might find the case a tad oversized. But this is a small price to pay for the added protection your gear gets. Now, let's talk durability. The Klipdasse Carrying Case is built to withstand impacts and falls, ensuring the safety of your accessories. While the size and cost might be a slight concern for some, the overall compatibility of the case with your kit makes it worth it. So, if you're a devoted gamer seeking reliable protection for your kit, the Klipdasse Carrying Case is a worthy investment. In conclusion, the Klipdasse Carrying Case is here to elevate your gaming experience by combining style, durability, and unmatched protection.